And next on the list is the Sunshin model, which is their version of the MGEX Strike Freedom. They are dubbing this one as the White Legend. This is a knockoff version of the Strike Freedom MGEX Twilight Coating Edition. This is the beam shield effects parts, and these are the outer armor that will be on the actual build. For comparison, let's check out the Bandai version, and this is the Sunshin model version, which are quite similar when compared side by side. And this one has a reflective silver finish when comes into a light angle. This is how it looks when completely built. It is worth noting that fixes were made from the previous version. The face now attached securely. The photo etch stickers is now sized correctly, and the wing connection part has been greatly improved. But please make sure that to watch out for the tightness in the joint assembly process. And since this is from the same mold, it will retain the same basic articulation that you have seen on the previous reviews. What do you think? Who is better, Changlong or Sunshin model? Please share your comments on the section below. Thank you for watching and see you next time.